have 5 numbers given, and the question is asking us to find the median of the list of the numbers above. Now, the first thing what we can observe that all these numbers in the list, they have negative power, right? We will make the power positive. Now, how to make the power positive? We will take the reciprocal of the bases over here. So let's do that. So minus, take the reciprocal of the base, which is 2, and make the power positive. That's 1 by 3. Second number, what we have here? 1 by 4. So take the reciprocal of the base, which becomes 4, and make the power positive. All right. What's the third number? 1 by 4 again. So take the reciprocal of the base and make the power positive. So 2 by 3. Fourth number is 1 by 3. We are looking at the numbers inside the parentheses, right? So this is again minus. Take the reciprocal of the base. So 1 by 3 becomes 3, and make the power positive. And the last number is again 1 by 4. So take the reciprocal of this base, which becomes 4, and make the power positive. All right. Now, once we have this set, now the next thing what we can observe that all these numbers are raised either to 1 by 3 or 1 by 2 or 2 by 3. So what we will do here, we will multiply the powers by 6, right? So let's do that. So minus 2, 1 by 3 into 6, minus 4, 1 by 2 into 6. So this is not going to change median in this case, right? So minus 4, 2 by 3 into 6. Again, 3 power of 1 by 2 into 6. And the last is minus 4, 1 by 3 into 6. Now, this gives us minus 2 whole square minus, inside the parentheses, 4, 2. And then we have, so minus 4 power of 4 minus 3 power of, this is whole cube. And the last one is minus square, right? So we can write it as minus 4, right? This becomes minus 64. This becomes, because we can raise it to square and then we have power of 4. So this becomes what? So minus 2 power of 8, right? 256 minus 27 and minus 16. We can arrange it in an increasing order. So this gives us minus 256, then minus 64, minus 27, then minus 16 and minus 4. So what is the median we can observe here? Median is minus 27. And which number corresponds to minus 27? So the median of this set of numbers is minus 1 by 3. Inside this 1 by 3 is inside the parenthesis, power of minus 1 by 2. So that's the answer to the question. Now, hope this is clear.